Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to track your Acorns Visa debit card. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $5 bonus when you sign up and make your first investment. However, if you already have an account, just open the website then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Bank Smarter. On this page, scroll down a little and you will see a section from which you could track your Acorns debit card. There, you will see a green text that says Track Your Card. Click on Track Your Card. Once you clicked on the Track Your Card option, you will be directed to this page. Here, you could view the status of your card order and get updates. That's how you track your Acorns Visa debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.